We have Mehul Solanki over here. Mehul, tell me, when, why, and how did you join Fuel Killers?
The first reference that was on the day before Holi. I believe I met you guys at night and you just told me you're gonna go for a ride, for a trip. You and I believe Viral.
Viral, yeah, Viral.
You were still there going for a trip and you thought if I want to join. It was the first trip which I still remember. It was a very good trip. I mean, amazing, and that made me experience something new which I never had in my life.
I guess that was first trip was Harihar.
Harihar.
Yeah, that was one of the longest trips, and I was a bit nervous if Mehul would make it or not. But believe me, he was very well with the ride. And Mehul is a guy who will maintain his bike like his girlfriend. Your girlfriend must be watching this video.
Yes.
Okay. But still, right. So Mehul is there with me with Fuel Killers since I guess more than a year now. Sadly, Viral is not there today because he has gone to his native place. Mehul, would there be anything else you would like changes or anything for an improvement? Anything?
Well, there will be no changes, but yes, I like people who are very bit interested in going for a trip and taking a new adventure.
Yeah.
Then they should go ahead and join Fuel Killers. That would be the message from my end to everyone.
Have you passed on the information to your college colleagues?
Yes, everyone have been following on Fuel Killers, but approximately they are underage, so they do not have ability to go for it and some kind of family problems. But yes, some of them will be joining as soon as possible with their pulses and
Pulses, yeah. Okay. Mehul here is a crazy pulsar maniac. Anyways, Mehul, thank you very much for joining us today. We have Aditya Mantri over here. Yeah. Aditya, you ride a Pulsar 200 MS.
Yeah.
Recently, he has been thinking of changing his tires, and you have put a new.
Pirelli Street Team
And how long has it been that you ride?
with Pirelli,
Yeah.
just a week.
Just a week.
Yeah.
Do you see any difference? What is
The
the advantage?
difference in the grip and the bike, the height of the bike has improved. It has increased and the pickup.
Do you think Pirelli stick very nicely to the roads?
Yes,
Yes, perhaps. And would you like to pass on any information about the tires to the people who are watching?
Yeah, it is actually I got it in discount. It was I got both of them at 7.5K. So I would recommend Pirelli.
You would recommend, right? And any cons?
Cons only the durability, but the durability is good. And now I haven't faced any cons.
No, within a week is one.
Yeah, because I haven't just for this ride. Today only after 2-3 days I took my bike.
Right. So if you're planning to change your tires on a Pulsar 200 NS, Aditya says or Aditya suggests that a Pirelli would be very nice. Sticks to the road.
Or Michelin.
Michelin.
Yeah.
Pirelli would cost 7.5 approximately according to him, and Michelin
Michelin around 9.5.
9.5, right? So you can choose. Apart from that, Aditya, you have come with us for 2 rides.
Yes.
What do you like about Michelin?
I like the Jawan ride as well and the Chai Pakoda ride, IBW, and also the Pidiami.
Are you enjoying the fun?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
We have Sagar Ruparel over here.
Hi.
Hi. Sagar, I have not been with any of the rides with you as of now because I've been busy. But I would like to know the recent ride. You've gone to Karnal, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
describe me in short. How did you like it?
Well, it was awesome ride. Started off in the morning around 5:30. Especially I rode from Vasai, so we started early in the morning at 4:30. Met at Fountain, left from Fountain. Awesome ride in the early morning. It was very good weather. Very good to ride, especially because it was very cold. It was chilling cold. We reached Tiger Point, Lions Point
Yeah.
on Tiger Hill at around 9:30, 10. We had a nice photo session over there. Almost 1 to 1.5 hours we were on the point. We left from there, we left for Pauna, we left for the lake. And that was the real fun. That was the 2 hours of absolute fun, I would tell you. We missed our way, we went off-roading, and then we had to take a U-turn and come back. That was a real test of every rider, I would say.
So that was an unplanned thing.
That was a very, very unplanned thing. We just went off-road, and it was like when we had to take a U-turn, it was the moment to see everybody's expression. Like we rode almost 6 to 8 kilometers off-road, and then we have to take a U-turn again.
So would you like to blame the lead rider, or was it just
No, I wouldn't
lead rider?
blame.
Tushar do play.
I wouldn't blame the lead rider for it because in the end it was fun. In the end it was real fun.
After the thing you were to tell me that. I told you. So that was Sagar. Sagar, I would also like to know which bike you like.
I ride Pulsar 180, but I've been with Fuel Killers on 3 rides, and every ride I had a different bike. So that was a good experience. And the next ride, the 4th ride, I'm planning to get another bike. Well, I don't own 3 to 4 bikes, just arrange the bikes from friends.
So in Sagar's case, change is constant, but the ride would remain the same.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you very much, Sagar. We are very glad to have you.
Thank you, sir.
So join you at the party. We have Rahul Mishra over here.
Hi. Hi,
Calm and serene as he looks. Very aggressive on the ride. Rahul, as far as I know, I've come with you for the Java ride, and I've seen you managing most of the things.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for that. I didn't get time at that time. Thank you, but
I really appreciate that. But actually, I have this quality wherever I go. I have this thing to manage things. Because I am actually a businessman. So on my daily basis, I manage around 20 to 25 people in the workplace on the different parts of the area of financial accounting. So it's in my blood. This is what I do everywhere. You have seen me Jawar ride, where I have arranged all the food and all. I just wanted my people to get the proper things at a proper place.
I'd like to know, what do you think for the people with any ups and downs, good things, bad
Listen,
things?
wherever you go in your life, there's everywhere ups and downs, in your offices, in your workplaces, in your home, in your house, whatever it is, your family, your girlfriend. So everywhere where you have ups and downs, it's how you manage things. This is what the best part is.
You ride
I ride a unicorn, but my case is same as Sagar. So I have
Constant changes.
Constant changes.
Rahul, I'd like to thank you very much for coming to the party. Even now I've seen you organizing a lot of things.
Yeah.
We couldn't do.
Actually, because this place on the Masai's end side, so because I've been to all these places, I've organized a party over here, I've organized in Jawar as well. So wherever places I've been there, I know people. So I just want our people should get the proper price and proper rate, because we come from outside. Everywhere you go, hotels, restaurants, or wherever place you go, people try to take the money out of the pocket. But we have to take care. There should be a guy who has to do all this.
So I'm sure we have a lot of surprises to come from your side.
I guess so.
Surprises, fun, dance, everything, right?
Yeah, let's see. Let's hope for the best.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Thank you.
We have Priyank Vora over here.
Hi.
Priyank, thank you very much first of all for being here. Thank you for taking care of the things at the party and organizing a lot of things for us. Priyank, being one of the senior members of the group, I would like to ask you, you've joined us since Bandara.
Yes, exactly. That was my first ride.
Would you like to say something about that?
Bandara.
What was the first feeling?
Well, Pandadra, whenever I hear about this word, it is like, it was the first ride with the squad, the Fuel Killers. And I could name it as the best ride I ever had. Like, I always had this hobbies of riding with bike and all. But the first time I went with the crew, I came to know what is exactly a riding. riding means people who are in a flow, one direction. You have signs, signals, people following you, people who are leading you in between. So yeah, Bhandara ride was a dream come true for me. For the first time exactly.
Apart from the ride, I guess there was some exploring, dipping in the lake over there.
Yeah, exactly. We went for a swimming for good 2 to 3 hours, which was actually off bit, but it was the exact fun. I mean, the first time, because you know, I mean, I didn't knew any of these people. It was the first time for me coming with the new people for the first time. But yeah, it was altogether a fun.
Being one of the senior members of the group and a good know-how in management, would you like to suggest something very quickly? Any changes, anything?
Well, actually, if you ask about the suggestions, there is no suggestion such as. But what would I like to say to the group is, whatever you people are doing, like I know I'm one of the seniors, but the people above me, what you people are doing, it's the best job. And make sure you carry it on as long as you keep riding, no matter how old are you. This thing keeps us together.
Frankly speaking, there is no one about anyone. We are all equal. We are family, we are brothers.
We are a family.
And we are more happy to have another person in the group every now and then. Right? As far as we are happy to have you. Thank you very much. I'll join
Thank you
in.
very much. Yeah, sure.
We have Raj Elma over here who rides a Gixxer 150.
Yeah, right.
A blue Gixxer 150. And Raj has been riding with us since 3 to 4 rides. Last week 4 rides. Raj, मुझे बताओ आपका फर्स्ट राइड त्रिमकेश्वर था?
Yeah.
मैं उस राइड पे आ नहीं पाया तो मुझे थोड़ा डिस्कशन
तो बहुत ही अच्छा था एंड खास करके जो आपकी जो लाइक जो भी सर्कल जो भी है मतलब जो राइडर्स हैं सो वेरी गुड फॉर मतलब गाइस जो भी हैं बहुत ही अच्छे लोग हैं ऐसे फील नहीं हुआ कि दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट राइड लाइक ऐसा लगा कि काफ़ी दिनों से मैं आ रहा हूँ ऐसा मुझे फील हुआ एंड काफ़ी फेवरफुल लोग थे कभी फील नहीं हुआ आपकी राइड में आके कि मैं न्यू पर्सन ऐसा कुछ भी फील नहीं हुआ तो वेरी गुड लाइक और क्यों बोलने देती
आपने वो फॉर्मेशन देखा है?
हूँ हाँ
आपको क्या लगता है कुछ चेंजेस की ज़रूरत है या फॉर्मेशन इज एग्जैक्ट?
आई थिंक एग्जैक्टली आपका जो चल रहा है गुड हाँ
यू लर्न समथिंग गुड? सीखा है आपने?
या एग्जैक्टली ये काफ़ी सीखा मैंने आप लोगों की तरफ से तो लैंड ड्राइविंग एंड सेफ ड्राइविंग लाइक काफ़ी कुछ सीखा मैं बोल नहीं सकता सब कुछ लाइक आपने A to Z मतलब जो लोगों के लिए बताया कि या लाइक जो भी चीज़ें थी काफ़ी चीज़ आप लोगों ने बताया जैसे हमें मुझे भी बिकॉज मेरा भी कुछ ना छोटा मोटा राइड लाइक जैसे कोई मंदिर टेम्पल का एवरी ईयर होता है मेरा भी छोटा मोटा राइड होता है उन लोगों को सजेशन करता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने जैसा किया है मतलब काफ़ी कुछ सीखने मिला आप लोगों से भी तो मैं इतना सजेस्ट कर सकता हूँ कि आप लोग ने जो भी सीखा वेरी गुड मैं आप लोग आगे भी अप्रोच कर सकता हूँ कि आप लोगों के थ्रू सीख सकते हैं
So that was Raj Elma sharing his thoughts and feelings with us. Raj, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज के लिए हमारे साथ पार्टी।
थैंक यू सो मच
We have Aniket Manchekar over here, who has been with Fuel Killers from the very beginning. So Fuel Killers Marshall ride was one of the first rides, which was between 5 to 6 people, and Aniket was present. Aniket, I would like to know how was that ride, the very first ride. How was the formation? How did
It was the first long ride which I have been to with you. It was a very good experience for me. So it was like very tiring for me first time because I don't ride bikes most of the time. So it was a bit tiring for me, but still I enjoyed with all my friends. They were very supporting and I loved the ride.
Let us know how was the first ride. What is it today? Would you like to share? How was the formation there? Right? How were the people? What was the signal?
Yeah. First ride, I don't think so. They were kind of amateur, you can say.
Aiba.
Yeah. Yeah.
But safety gears were on, right?
No, I don't think so. They
Helmet?
were-
At least helmet?
Yeah, at least helmets were there, but other things were not there. But we were following the rules, like not overtaking or something. It was kind of a fun ride. We just went for a ride, so it was a good ride. I loved the experience, though it was tiring for me because I don't ride. So it was fun. It was a good ride.
So you like it. And how is it today?
Yeah.
It's totally straight line and formation
Yeah.
signal.
Yeah, now
So-
I can now I can see they are following the rules and all the signals, and also it's very good they are promoting safety, which is very much important for each and everyone who are riding bikes or even cars. So it's very good that we are promoting safety, and the young kids which are
The generation which is now coming.
yeah, it's very good they are promoting safety. So I wish all the best for Fuel Killers for all the future rides they are riding. So all the best to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the party. We have Vipin Singh over here. Geared up even now. Geared up with the party, huh? So, you have gone for Trimbakeshwar and which other rides have you come from? Johar. So, do you like Trimbakeshwar or which one would you like to visit?
Trimbakeshwar was my favorite because while going to the Trimbakeshwar, the art the way which we use,
Yeah.
I don't. What is the name of the art?
I haven't been to Trimbakeshwar, that's why I'm asking.
Yeah.
So anyways, yeah, I guess Suryamal.
Suryamal. It was awesome. I liked it because that was the first experience that the road was very narrow and I was literally riding very confidently because of my fellow riders. That was the experience which I never faced before. So that was awesome because I get the confidence.
Are you looking forward for more rides with us?
Next time I'm attempting each and every ride of FK.
He's still geared up, that is the reason I guess. Anyways, I guess people are calling you for the party. Thank you very much for coming. We have Abhijit Kamath over here. Abhijit, I have ridden with you for one or two rides. I guess only one ride. So would you like to share something about the Charuti ride?
Charuti ride was my first ride, and it was excellent ride. I was ever driven to get in a crew for the bike ride, and this was my first ride, and it was excellent.
Did you ever think you were separated from the crew or something? Nothing like that. You enjoy being comfortable and coming with us?
Yes. And I would always love to ride with you all. Like no other group. If I buy a bullet also, then also I will ride with, not with Ari, then I will ride with Fuel Killers.
Actually, when do you plan to buy?
Actually, I bought my bike latest only. That would be the first job for the bike. And surely I would love to buy a bullet. But it will take time, at least 3 years.
So I guess people are getting very intolerable.
Yes.
Why don't you join?
I'll surely join them. Yeah.
Thank you very
Bye.
much for
Take
being
care.
We have Girish Kumar with us, and today will be today is the first time he is with us. He's come through Vipin Singh. We have just spoken a while ago. Girish Kumar, tell me something. What made you to join us today?
Basically I'm a civil. I'm working in the Shiva Machine. So I need something basically as a rest to take a rest from it. So I feel to join this weekend by best friend body. So I like to join this Fuel Killer bike rider. I like to ride on my bike.
Which one?
Pulsar. 150.
So can I expect you for the next rides?
Yeah,
In
of
case you
course,
are.
of course, it was amazing. Before I reached here, it was amazing. Before you following the rules and signals, everything, it was amazing. So
Even while coming
yeah,
into
while
the-
coming into this was my first time, but it was amazing for me.
You came in as a pillion or have you ridden your bike?
Yeah,
Ridden your bike. So we can expect Girish Kumar in the next rides, and he'll be there in the video, right?
Yeah, of course I will.
So when is your next trip on the sea?
I will be joining my ship. I was at April 9th.
So we will definitely be having trips in February, March. So
Yeah, of course I will be ready.
If you're free.
Yeah, I am free, of course.
Anyways, we are meeting for the first time. Thank you very much for joining us. Enjoy the party. Yeah, that's right. Once I leave and Tushar So, you probably know Tushar Duble, the co-founder of Filmkillers, and currently handling the leading part during the rides. Tushar, a question which I have been wanting to ask you since a very long time, you have never answered, apart from the usual and regular answer. Why Filmkillers? What is the first answer you give?
Filmkillers is my birthplace.
It's his birthplace, okay. Okay, and what is the actual answer? Because I believe you and Pratik and Tushar had decided the name. Right?
हम लोग जब राइड स्टार्ट की मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 1 ईयर पहले 1 साल पहले तब ऑलमोस्ट 4 बाइकर्स थे अभी हमें कुछ पता नहीं था जस्ट हम लोग सोचे कि हम ऐसे ही राइड पे जाते हैं अभी फ्यूल गियर्स क्यों फ्यूल गियर इसके लिए कि सब लोग सोचे कि हम लोग जाते हैं राइड पे फ्यूल पेट्रोल वेस्ट करते हैं और वापस आते हैं लेकिन उनको नहीं पता कि हम लोग राइड पे जाके फ्यूल जो वेस्ट नहीं करते वो फ्यूल से हमारे सोल को जो प्लेजर मिलता है वो नहीं समझ सकते तो फ्यूल गियर्स क्यों क्योंकि फ्यूल गियर्स बोलते हैं ना मेरे लिए सब कुछ है मेरी फैमिली है मेरे फ्रेंड्स है मेरा सब कुछ है तो इसके लिए फ्यूल गियर्स अभी ऑब्वियसली मैं लीड राइडर हूँ विकी लीडर एंड चीफ इसका भी बोलते हैं ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा ये है क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सब कुछ मतलब हम लोग सब कुछ मिल के सब लोग संभालते हैं 4 जन हैं मैं विक्की प्रतीक सुशांत प्रतीक जो कि फाउंडर है तो स्टार्टिंग में हम लोगों ने सोचा नहीं था कि 4 बाइकर्स के 100 के ऊपर राइडर्स जाएंगे लेकिन अभी हमें पूरे मुंबई में ओवरऑल 120 प्लस राइडर्स हैं पूरा विरार से लेके मुंबई से लेके साउथ बॉम्बे से लेके न्यूयॉर्क से लेके सब कुछ तो अभी जस्ट हम यही चाहते हैं कि हम सेफ्टी प्रमोट कर रहे हैं सेफ्टी मतलब क्या कि राइडिंग पे जा रहे हैं तो गियर्स कंपलसरी है क्यों ऐसा नहीं कि आप अच्छे राइडर हो लेकिन एक बोलते हैं ना आपको देख के दूसरे जन सीखते हैं हम लोग राइड पे जाते हैं तो बहुत से हमें देखते हैं तो देख के हमें सीखने वाले बहुत रहते हैं तो इसके लिए राइडिंग पे सेफ्टी प्रमोट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और वो हम प्रमोट करते हैं
Like Power Drift always emphasizes on the tag, all the gears, all the time.
Right.
AT, GAT. And Ten Hart has mentioned, whenever you pass by a rider, always should do that.
Yes.
That is what he will always be doing. Tushar, thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me a good responsibility. I'll do it to all my heart. Pratik, why don't you join us, man?
12 बजे
It's 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
At the cake.
वन सेकेंड एक्चुअली विक्की तो मतलब अभी हमने जब से फ्यूचर स्टार्ट किया तब से हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ऊपर आए मतलब 4 राइडर्स से 100 प्लस आप भी सोच सकते हैं कि कितनी बड़ी अचीवमेंट है तो इसमें इसका जो बोलते हैं ना पार्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है मतलब हमारे जितने वीडियोज़ रहते हैं ये एडिट ये करता है फोटोज रहते हैं ये एडिट ये करता है सोशल मीडिया का जो कुछ है वो ये दिखता है और अभी आप भी देख रहे हैं कि हमारा होस्ट विक्रांत सुवर्णा मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसको एक इंटरनेशनल के लेवल पे देख चुके
Soon we'll be doing that.
थैंक यू
Thank you.